what would you consider today? And don't take away your whole humbleness, because I know you're humble. What do you view as your greatest success?
I would say probably one of my biggest successes was being able to identify a little company in 2003 called Mobileye, where I developed the whole branding system for them that they went to market with. They had a successful IPO. Intel bought a little stake of it, and then they purchased the whole thing for $15 billion. In all honesty, learning and growing from each experience, and if you can grow from a success like that, then those can be valuable too. But it's all about learning, and it's all about what actually was successful about any particular project that I'm involved in.